Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use low-spec experience. We'll dive into practical steps to make your games run smoother, even on older hardware. First, focus on in-game settings. Reducing your resolution, perhaps from 1092p to 720p, can give you a 20% performance boost. Also, turning off demanding features like shadows and anti-aliasing will lighten your graphics card's load considerably, helping you achieve a more enjoyable experience. Next, let's talk about optimizing your system itself. It's crucial to close any unnecessary background applications before launching a game. This frees up valuable RAM and CPU power. Always keep your graphics drivers updated to their latest versions, as these often include performance enhancements and bug fixes. Consider disabling visual effects in your operating system or even using a more lightweight version for maximum efficiency. Now for game-specific tweaks. Many games have community-made configuration files designed specifically for low-spec systems. These can offer significant improvements. You can also manually edit game configuration files to fine-tune settings beyond what the in-game menu offers, giving you granular control over graphical fidelity. Additionally, explore performance-enhancing mods for your favorite titles, which can often streamline assets and improve frame rates. Finally, let's discuss hardware and maintenance. Proper cooling is essential. Ensure your system isn't overheating, as thermal throttling can severely impact performance. Regularly cleaning dust from your fans and components will help maintain optimal temperatures. While not always possible, upgrading to a solid-state drive, even a small one for your operating system and a few games, can drastically reduce loading times and improve overall responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.